let's talk about sex. Currently, many schools exclusively teach abstinence or delegate sex education to parents. Years of study has shown that a lack of comprehensive sexuality education, CSE, puts teenagers at a disadvantage in terms of their physical and mental well-being, according to child advocates. According to Kugadas, it would teach students how to better manage peer pressure around sex and promote more respectful interactions between boys and girls. The most common criticism of CSE is that it may expose children to the concept of sex or sexuality at a young age. They say that by emphasizing the importance of one's personal well-being and health, CSE can help protect children, particularly teenagers, from harassment and abuse. Young adults must be made aware of safer options. STIs, unexpected teen pregnancies, and the emotional repercussions of sex can all be avoided by acquiring accurate sex knowledge from a qualified source rather than the internet or from friends. School-based CSE can also help young people better prepare for life transitions including puberty, menopause, and old age. Sex education is critical in resolving issues and dispelling myths that young adults may have picked up from the media or their classmates. The teenager are to have the strength and wisdom to say no and have more control over their personal and physical lives.